A brand new AI niche is going viral right now. People are quietly making thousands of dollars using a single video format that's exploding across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and even long-form YouTube. Abandoned-themed AI videos. You've probably seen them without realizing it. Famous movie characters, cartoon characters, or iconic figures placed inside creepy, abandoned locations like empty malls, forgotten cities, ruined theme parks, or post-apocalyptic worlds. The visuals look shockingly realistic, cinematic, and oddly satisfying, and once you watch one, it's almost impossible not to keep watching. That's exactly why these videos are pulling millions of views on every platform. What makes this niche even crazier is that they're completely AI-generated, and you can make these viral abandoned-themed AI videos in just a few clicks using one simple AI tool called Korpi AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these viral videos. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's get started. Head over to Korpi AI using the link in the video description. Korpi AI is one of the best AI tools right now for creating viral TikTok and YouTube videos, especially in trending AI niches. And the best part is that everything can be done in just a few clicks. Once you're on the website, click on Open Dashboard and create a free account. After logging in, you'll land on the Korpi AI homepage, where you'll see a list of trending video niches such as AI stories, Roblox rants, fake tech stories, and many more formats that are already performing extremely well on social media. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the abandoned AI niche, so go ahead and click on it. This will open the main video creation interface where all the magic happens. The first thing we need is a video idea, and Korpi AI gives you multiple ways to do this. You'll see an option called AI Ideas, which allows the AI to automatically generate viral video concepts for you. You also have a custom option, where you can write or paste your own video idea, describe scenes manually, or fully control the storyline. For this video, we're going to use AI Ideas, because it's the fastest and easiest way to create viral abandoned-themed AI videos. Under AI Ideas, you'll notice two options. The first one is Random, which lets Korpi AI generate random video ideas within the abandoned AI niche. The second option is Custom Character, where you simply type in the name of a movie or cartoon character you want to use. For example, Woody from Toy Story, and the AI will build an abandoned-themed concept around that character. For this tutorial, we'll stick with Random, so go back to Random and click on Generate Random Story Ideas. Within seconds, Korpi AI will present you with multiple viral abandoned AI video concepts, such as abandoned versions of popular characters like Shrek and many others. Scroll through the ideas, preview the concepts, and select the one you like the most to continue building your video. Next, click on Scenes to move into the section where we'll generate the visuals for our video. This is where Korpi AI creates the realistic abandoned-themed images that make this niche go viral. The first thing Korpi AI will ask you to do is choose an AI image generation model. Korpi AI provides access to some of the latest high-end AI image models, including Nano Banana, Imagen 4, and others. What's great is that some of these powerful models are available for free. For this tutorial, we're going to use Nano Banana because it produces high-quality, cinematic, and realistic images that work perfectly for abandoned-themed AI videos. Go ahead and select it. Next, choose your video duration. Korpi AI allows you to create videos up to 60 seconds long, which is the sweet spot for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. As you adjust the duration, you'll see the number of scenes update automatically based on the length you select. Once everything looks good, click on Generate and Korpi AI will start generating your images. Within a few seconds, your abandoned-themed visuals will be ready. As you can see, the images look highly realistic, cinematic, and perfectly styled for the abandoned AI format. You can scroll through all the generated scenes, and if there's any image you don't like, Korpi AI lets you regenerate individual images with a single click. After you're happy with the images, the next step is to animate them to achieve that smooth zoom-in cinematic effect you see in viral abandoned AI videos. Click on Animate All, then choose your animation model. Korpi AI offers multiple options, including Cdance, VO3, and Sora 2. Select the animation model you prefer based on the style and motion you want. Next, set the duration for each scene, depending on how long you want each image to appear in the final video. Below that, you'll see the animation prompt box, where you can describe how you want your images to move. Korpi AI already provides a pre-written animation prompt, so you don't need to change anything unless you want to customize the motion. Once everything is set, click Animate All and Korpi AI will automatically animate every image, turning them into a smooth, professional-looking abandoned-themed AI video. Finally, click on Audio to move into the section where you'll add background music to your video. This step helps enhance the cinematic and satisfying feel that makes abandoned-themed AI videos perform so well. You'll notice a warning that says not to use background music here if you plan to post on YouTube Shorts, because copyrighted music can result in your video being muted, restricted, or even taken down. To avoid any issues, you have two safe options. You can either upload your own royalty-free background music directly inside Korpi AI, or you can leave the video without music and add background audio later when uploading to TikTok or YouTube Shorts using their built-in music libraries. Once you're done with the audio settings, click on Generate Video, and Korpi AI will begin rendering your final abandoned-themed AI video. This process may take a short while, depending on the length and animation settings, but within moments, your video will be fully processed and ready. After the render is complete, go ahead and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you have any question.